Welcome to the edge of the world. So, no internet, no mains power, no problem. We're remote streaming today from this remote cottage using our Teradek Link Pro to give us 4G bonded internet with speeds of up to 50 meg up and down. The mains power is provided by our PowerOak transformer, recharging by these solar panels. This mystical unit gives us 300 watts of 240 volt electricity, plus charges our phones, drone, camera battery and Adrian's secret things. So if you need help with your next remote project or venue-based conference or festival, please do give us a call.